So let's take a look at how to work with click events in Vue.Js. First thing, go to Vue.js.org, then get the source for CDN. Okay, and then in text editor, create one boilerplate HTML. And here you can paste your source to Vue.js. In body tag, you can simply create one button because we want to work on click event. Okay, so let's name this click. You can view that in HTML page. As you can see, click with no action assigned. Okay, and now I want to assign div ID to this. So let's say within app I have this button. Okay, also if I want to have some content below. Okay, so if I click this, that content should change, so that we can get the idea how to change particular behavior after click event. Okay, so let's write script. Okay, now here inside we can use var app new view. Okay, and here within element you can go ahead with app, and here in data I want to simply bind two properties. Let's say I want number for particular year. This is 2018, so 2018, and I want this year property to remain blank because I want to change it dynamically. Okay, so simply let's create a method. So let's use methods, and inside that we are going to use a method named year change. Okay, and here we are going to use a function that takes the event from our button. Okay, and then it should return this dot year equals to this dot now. So when button is clicked, this year will have this numbers property. So I have to change this into year. Also for button, we have to make use of v-on click. Alternatively, you can also use @click instead of v-on colon. Okay, and here you have to mention the method name, which is year change. Okay, so let's refresh, and here if I click on this button, it should return 2018. So it works. So you get the idea how to use click event with Vue.js.